Do you know that sometimes it is good for you to think out of the box, just like they normally say? I was thinking of a particular hair to come up with, something that is not common, unique style. So I was like, let me do something. And I tried it. It came out well. Just watch this video. You will learn a whole lot on how you can just think out of the box or outside of the box and come out with different styles, unique styles. If you are the type of person that knows how to plait hair, or you are a hairdresser or a stylist and all that, you will learn so much and this is going to benefit you. Just stay tuned, watch it the way how I started it. You will love it. Some of the kinkies we see outside today, they are not the kinky that we used to buy before. And for me to make this style, I need a very good kinky for it to come out the way I want it. So I was like, let me see if I can come out with my own kinky. And I tried it. The thing came out well. My sister, not be everything that they buy. Sometimes they just think. You see, say, wait, that's the way they think. People will come begin, they like them. So when I came out with this style, it was wow. I was even asking myself, how did you do it? This is so lovely. It's good to think. It's good to use your mind. It's good to use our brain. If we can think, we can think. And whatever it is that you have as a talent, it's been given to you by God. Some will say, I was born with it. Now God make them available for us, so we need to know that. So I'm giving this special thanks to God for giving me the mind to be creative. So if you want to know how I came up with this coiling, there are so many of my videos I've already uploaded. You can watch any of them and then you will see how I did it. Very simple. Though it may be tough for the first time, but when you keep doing it, you see that it's very easy. So this style came out very well for me. I loved it. And there's so many other people love it too. So it's very easy to make. Just let me allow you to do the watching while I'm also looking at it also. So this voice talk sometimes and not easy, but they say practice makes perfect. I just need to be perfect in doing it. If you're actually thinking what kind of hair is this and what is the style, it's simply called kinky pizel. Kinky pizel. And I use Brazilian attachment to come up with this. And it's very good. Normal expression cannot really do this because I tried it. It didn't really give me what I needed. So I have to try another alternative, which is this Brazilian attachment, and it's a very good product. I must tell you, very good. When you want to do anything like kinking, coiling, I will recommend it for you to try. Just give it a try, you will love it. It's very good. I hope you're already enjoying it. Please, kindly do me well to like, comment, and to share. Please, I need you to share this post for me. And also, on any app that you are watching this hairstyle from, please just help me to follow or to subscribe, whichever app that you are using to watch this particular hairstyle from. Please just try and press that follow button or press that subscription button. And I really appreciate you for it.
Connections, threads of trust, navigates hard through passion scars, from vows exchanged to secrets shared.
The Bible said that all good and perfect gift comes from God. When God gives you a gift, it means that you don't need to struggle over anything or searching for anything. A gift is something that you love doing, that you don't need to think about it. You don't need to sweat over it for you to get it done. Like me, I love to experiment things. Aside of even making hair and all that, I love to experiment things. And it has been helping me to learn more and to acquire more talent and all that for myself.
360 degrees, love's eternal flame. In the rhythm of heart she finds a groove. 360 woman, love constant move. From courtship whisper.
This hairstyle, the shrap pra, oh sharp pra. Just watch it. Just keep watching it. You will love it. It's a wonderful hairstyle. Beautiful. Oh sharp pra. You can see the shape is already coming out. The shape is already coming out. Please do me well to like this video, comment and share. Please share to your loved ones, to your friends, so that they also can know how to make kinky pizza wigs. Very beautiful, very comfortable and suitable for any occasion.
Love's guiding light in this pop song. She takes a flight, love sweet kiss. Yes, that's woman.
You can see this video is a detailed wig video. Though when I was installing the closure, I didn't attach it with this video, so maybe I will do that any other time. It's very easy to make, as you can see. It's as simple as that. It's as simple as that.
She finds the key from broken bones to vows renewed. Christabella quickly love's interlude. To rest that's woman, innocent free in love's dance. She finds the key from broken bones to vows renewed. Christabella quickly love's interlude.
Please do me well to give me a follow or help me to subscribe, please. Very important for me to continue to make my posts, for me to know that people love what I'm doing and they appreciate it. Just give me a follow or subscribe to any of my channel, and don't forget to give me a like and leave a comment what and how you feel about this kinky pizza.
Love season point twist to people.
How did you see it? Hey, how did you see it? It's already coming out too. It's already coming out. So beautiful. So beautiful a hair. Beautiful hair. Beautiful hairstyle. Beautiful hairstyle. So beautiful. I hope you're able to learn something today. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, follow, subscribe, and comments. You will see when I rock this hair. You will see beautiful hair. I so much love it. Is it the color? Now my best. I love it. Let me know what you think about this hair. If you like it, let me know. If there is any area you want me to improve on it, just let me know. Just leave a comment. Leave a comment. Bye for now.